After the design phase is complete and we've established block diagrams that the client's happy with, the next phase is to start adding some walls, furniture, stairs, and various elements to make the project more real. This project in particular is actually going to be built on an existing footprint, so we're gonna actually put the walls on the inside of these lines, but typically we'd go on the outside. I've chosen a basic wall here. We just hit the space bar to change the orientation of the wall. We're going to do the outside wall now. The stair is going to come from below, so I'm actually just going to box the walls in like this. I'm going to use the fillet tool to finish that part off. And since this wall is actually not on the outside, it's kind of on the inside, but it's on the second story, I'm just going to move it over a little bit. And then on this floor, we're basically going to do the same thing. Once all the exterior walls are done, we're going to add some interior walls. I'm going to select pre-made wall. Interior 2x6. And then going down to the bottom floor, we're going to quickly do the same thing. So I've added all the interior and exterior walls for this main area. I just have the closet area to do still. One thing you'll notice that upstairs looks like there's kind of a jog here, and the clients decide to make this area expanded a little bit. So we're going to actually take that expansion up to the second floor as well. We're just going to move this wall over to here. The one thing you'll notice too is the walls from the main floor have kind of extended up. I'll just show you in 3D. And so what we'll do is we'll just select all the walls on this main floor here. We'll say top constraint as second floor. And these walls up here, we'll say top constraint is roof.